Welcome to our guide on setting up your YouTube channel. First, you'll need a Google account to create a YouTube channel. If you already have a Gmail account, you can use that to sign into YouTube. Sign into YouTube and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Create a Channel from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts to set up your channel name. Choose a memorable, searchable name that reflects your content. Now it's time to customize your channel. Upload a professional profile picture that's 800 by 800 pixels and a channel banner that's 2560 by 1440 pixels. Write a compelling About section that clearly explains what viewers can expect from your channel. Include relevant keywords to help with discoverability. Finally, organize your channel by creating playlists for different content categories. This makes navigation easier for viewers and helps them find the specific content they're looking for. Let's review the steps to set up your YouTube channel. Follow this checklist to ensure you've completed everything needed to start uploading videos. Before filming your first YouTube video, it's essential to plan your content. Start by creating a simple script or outline to help you stay focused on your key points. You don't need expensive equipment to start creating YouTube videos. A smartphone with good lighting can work perfectly well for your first videos. Remember that clear audio is often more important than perfect video quality. Using a simple tripod and finding a quiet location will significantly improve your results. When filming your video, the environment plays a crucial role in quality. Choose a quiet location with minimal background noise to ensure clear audio. Position your light source in front of you, not behind, to avoid being backlit. Use a stable surface or tripod to keep your footage steady and professional. Always record a short test clip to verify your audio and framing before the full recording. For your first video, aim for a length between 5 and 10 minutes to keep viewers engaged. When you're ready to upload your video to YouTube, the process is straightforward. Start by clicking the camera icon in the top right corner of YouTube's interface. Then select Upload Video from the drop-down menu. Follow these simple steps to upload your video file and begin the processing. After uploading, you'll need to optimize your video details for discovery and engagement. First, create a compelling title under 60 characters that includes relevant keywords. Write a detailed description with the most important information in the first few lines and include timestamps for longer videos. Create a custom thumbnail that stands out in search results, using high contrast colors and clear visuals. Add appropriate tags to help YouTube categorize your video correctly, starting with the most specific keywords. When you're ready to publish, you'll need to choose your video's visibility settings. For your first video, selecting public will make it available to everyone on YouTube. Follow these steps to effectively publish and share your video to start building your audience. Immediately share your video across all your social media platforms to maximize early views. Remember that consistency is key to building a YouTube channel. Learn from your analytics, engage with your viewers, and don't worry about making everything perfect, especially when you're just starting out.